Our heavy brush mowing team is proud to introduce our all-new Caterpillar 299 XE, equipped with Fecon's latest and greatest mulcher, the Blackhawk. In order to provide the highest quality of service, we only invest in the best. Don't let nuisance vegetation overtake your property. Clearing land has never been easier with our brand new 299. More power means better results. We offer a very high-level service for a very fair price. We show up and get the work done, doing exactly what we promise. Call today for a free estimate or stop by our office, 1901 DANR Drive.
Welcome to our family-owned and operated business where your needs are a priority. Give us a call today for a free estimate.